4 square internal replacement CB radio speaker. 5 watt. 8 ohm. Screw holes are 3 1/4 center to center. Top reviews from the United States. Workman 4 inches replacement speaker. I ordered this speaker to replace one in a 40-year-old radio I'm restoring. I haven't time to install it yet, but appears to be well made and should do just fine. Worked fine on my Cobra 200. Product worked jiffy pop on my Cobra 200. That darn fandangled buzzard radioioio has blowed a few of the speakers in its time. It is not a yougin. I did soldered it into the place of the radeeeeeio, and in a few seconds pow, the sound was bingin and bangin. How to tell if you have a bad speaker? Easy peasy, put a 9-volt leads across the back of the speaker terminals. If the speaker makes a quick little pop, it is good. If the speaker does nothing, the speaker needs to be replaced. Yup, replaceeee.